I am here vibing, one of the most prolific singers of the 80s and 90s. His parents named him Eustace Hamilton, but we know him as
Thriller you.
Father Chilla.
Bless up, man.
Everything good, sir?
Great, great, you know?
Brother, it's an honor, sir.
Yes, man, the pleasure is all mine.
Mad thing.
This is Thriller you endorsing. Teach them. Teach them is the greatest show of all. Teach them well, make you laugh until you bawl. If anyone should ask you who's the teach them true. So listen this song that's coming from I Thriller you. Teach them about the world. Woo 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 woo. To other mountain top and steeper. I'll prove it to you starting tonight. I'm gonna prove them, teach them. Yeah, man, Thriller, you said that. Big up yourself. Teach them!
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Father Chilla, the man look young and fresh.
Yeah, my beard. Beard, you know? Yeah, man. Take me shower.
Bad thing. All is well, sir?
All is great, you know?
Yeah, man. Happy to hear that. So talk to us, though. Early life, place of birth.
Well, I was originally born here in Kingston.
Yeah?
At Jubilee Hospital, you know? Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Grew up as a local youth in the ghetto and Trenchtown.
Trenchtown.
Yeah.
Trenchtown Rock.
Trenchtown.
Siblings?
Okay. Yeah, I've got 6 siblings, you know?
Yeah.
3 brothers and
3 sisters.
3 sisters, yes.
And all of them are around?
Yeah, man, everybody alive.
Oh, give thanks, man.
Colors, man.
Mommy and daddy still around?
Well, as you know, mom is alive, but, you know, biological father passed on from I was at the age of 4.
Yeah.
And, you know, my stepfather recently.
But Mr. Jamison?
No, yeah, him dead.
2017?
2 couple years ago, yeah.
Was there any resolution to that situation?
Well, you know, the case has not been solved as yet, you know. It's still ongoing, you know.
Yeah, and the vehicle was ever found?
No, the vehicle was never found.
The vehicle was never found. My condolences, brother.
No, thanks, man.
Yeah, man. So where did you attend school, though?
Well, after growing up in Kingston, a part of Trenchtown, Riverton City, Weymouth Drive.
Yeah?
So I attend school, Denantong Primary School, and I could remember as a little, them days are Bulga days and planting patty and thing, them days.
Yeah.
Who can remember them days, but you know?
Yeah.
Then I leave from there, we go to Spanish Town. Live a place I'm calling him Johnson. That close up to Green Acres, Dovecot.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, then from there, move from there so to Garden Pen, you know? Garden Pen is right in Spanish Town.
Oh, in Spanish Town,
yes.
Okay.
Then leave from Garden Pen, head on up to Sligoville Road, place called Mount Moreland.
Yeah?
Yes.
So a whole of movements at
Whole of movements.
What was the reason for that, though?
You don't know the struggle of life and the pressures, you know. Mommy decided, say, well, she not make her boy pit and grew up in a certain environment because of the whole of gunplay. Back in the 80s, 1980s, we were living in Garden Pen and there was a lot of killing going on in Garden Pen.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of killing going on and, you know, the mommy always know what's right. Parents all know what's right to do. So them just decide, say, move her from Garden Pen out of the gun thing and bring us to the country era.
Yes.
You know, Mount Moreland.
Yeah.
Real place. You know, I grew up in a nice environment, lovely morning, drew on them thing. Yeah.
So what was it like growing up though from a financial perspective?
Well, it was always been rough, you know. It has always been rough those days. And well, I can remember time goes by when we used to, when I personally and my brothers used to go to the canal, you know. And we look at tiki them swimming in the water. You know what tiki, right?
Man.
Yeah, and they look at tadpole. Them.
Yeah.
Me not afraid for that. Me am tadpole.
Yeah.
Because I never know no fish them. I never know say boy I was frog, young frog, you know.
Yeah.
So I deal with them, man. It was rough, but mommy was a woman like this now. She still, you know, she not give up on it. Yeah, she carry everywhere she go. We go down Kingston, downtown. Down at Kingston, I learn to sell kiss cut, cheese chicks, you name it, toilet paper,
Mama was a hustler.
Yes.
And then you went on the road to assist her.
Yes, you know, so go to school. I saw the survival going.
Yeah, man, I know what I mean.
It was a rough time, but you know, nevertheless, mommy pulled it through and she raised you up nice and manageable.
Yeah.
We get the education, you know.
Yeah.
We're nice, you know. We give thanks. Yeah,
man. So everybody know Thriller you as the voice singer from 80s come right up. When did you realize or you start develop a desire for the music?
Very tender age. Going to, I jump over the school part, but going to Denanton Primary, end up in a Spanish Town. That was Spanish Town Secondary.
Yeah.
So while I was in Spanish Town Secondary, I used to do some like a school concert thing.
Yeah.
Never really take it in a serious ways. Until when we reach up by Sligoville now, Sligoville Road, Mount Molan, that's when I start taking it very serious because I got the opportunity now to meet people, sound system people, who want me to do dub plate.
Okay.
So I can remember just bottom side, about 2 miles down the road from Mount Molan, it's called Waterloo.
Yes,
you know? So I was like going back and forth Waterloo, look at dance them. So I meet a sound man named Joe, the sound named L.U.S.T sound.
Yeah.
End up sing dub plate for L.U.S.T sound. I don't remember the exact day, if it was a Monday or I think it was a Tuesday, if I could be specific about it. It was Tuesday. And I went to King Tubby's in the Waterhouse, Firehouse. Then when I went there, sing a dub plate from King Tubby's come and hear me and I say, yo, look at singer your sound, good in your youth, I like how your sound. You want to come back to the studio.
But before you even do the dub fit, what you say is on your L.U.S.T?
L.U.S.T,
yeah, man. How then did you come to do that dub plate? You say you used to do some things, some concert at school and stuff, but then how did you reach that stage where persons now ask you to do dub plates?
Well, it all started out, as I say now, my sister Peaches. She used to do a local concert them, so she used to carry me to her concerts and me get to love the music.
Yeah.
You know?
Okay.
But the dub plate thing now, it happened like this after me start singing up by Mount Moreland. Start singing the jukebox. Every Sunday we punch the jukebox and we do the jukebox thing. Sing on the version and them thing there, you know. So people normally hear me sing and say, yo, you can't sing good, you know. So we keep on doing it until, as I said, me start go down a Waterloo now.
Yeah.
So I meet the sound man. L.U.S.T sound man named Joe. And I say, I do a dub plate.
Okay.
So I end up at the studio.
You remember that dub plate? You remember the song that you did?
No, sir. No, sir. That was donkey years there.
So after the dub plate then now, you went to King Tubby's?
Yeah, we went to King Tubby's to do the dub plate.
Oh, you went to do it officially there?
Yes.
Oh, so that was the first time you went to a studio?
Yes, man. Very first time. And sing the dub plate and King Tubby's hear the vibe and love the vibe and say, youth, me love how you sound. Come back, man, we can do some work, you know?
Yes.
So I did my first debut single. It's called Juggling.
Juggling.
Yes. And after that it get kind of easy, you know. Cause you know, I sing up a tune for King Tubby's and then a friend of mine goes by the name of Xanadu Today. You know? He took me to meet.
His name is Xanadu Today?
No, Xanadu. His name is Xanadu Today. Them days him used to name Aged.
Aged. Okay,
yes.
okay.
But you know, man, a Rasta man now say no Agja.
Yeah.
Anyway, so Xanadu now, him let me meet Fatis, Philip Burrell Fatis.
Burrell.
Yes. And from there, it get much easier.
Yeah.
You know? But I can remember the challenges I faced, one of the challenges I faced. When I was doing audition, because even though I was singing for King Tubby's, you know? King Tubby's pass, I meet Jammies, I meet Penthouse, Jermaine.
Dadapan.
Yeah, I meet Winston Riley, you name it. But one of the challenges that I faced is I went for audition at RG Recording Studio.
Yeah.
And this one I'm telling you a joke thing.
Yeah.
As a local youth excited and really want to get a break in the industry, you know. I actually went there for an audition.
Yeah.
Figure I can mash the audition and go on good. So when me go there now and start singing, I call me up and I go and go sing now and sing a song, Billy Ocean song. Sometimes I wonder by the look in your eyes, you know.
Yeah.
You know, to me that sing
Yeah,
goodish.
it sound alright.
Yeah, me alright to me. But
yeah.
what happened next was so surprising.
Sound like RJ running out of the studio.
Yeah, man, RJ tell me say must come out time studio and go suck me.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, the M word. You know what I mean? It's too disrespectful for you to
The
say.
producer tell you to
Tell
come
me
out and...
that, come out. You think you can't sing? No. Come out of my studio and go suck you. You understand me? I said to you, that was it. So it was like heartbreaking for me because, you know,
yeah.
I felt really disrespected as a little youth, you know, that little teenager, you know. You know, just felt disrespected.
You were still young at the time?
Yeah, man, a little boy thing, not
yeah.
about, not no big yet, a little boy thing.
Yeah.
About 14, 15. them age group there, you know. So them tell me that me cry and I walk all the way from Mountain View Avenue back man to Waterhouse, you know.
Yeah. Mountain View to Waterhouse.
Them days when I had the money. It's like walking was like a privilege because guess what happened? You have to get there.
Yes.
You have to do what you have to do. I mean, come on, when we used to take bus I come from Spanish Town to go to Waterhouse. Me never know if I could have come out of Red Stripe there and walk across through Waterhouse. But I come all the way around to the terminus and walk around.
Yeah.
Come a 3 mile and walk, 3 mile and walk all the way. You know, so, but because you just have that anger, you have that drive there to go make it because you're hungry for the music, you know.
So when RJ ran out of the studio, you cry?
Cry, me ball, holla. And just took the road and just moved.
How old were you at the time though?
About 14, 15.
About 14, 15.
Yeah, I can remember, yeah.
So when your voice juggling, because that was your first recording, you say?
Yes.
Yeah? How old were you?
No, I'm going to be honest with you. Maybe I talk it back way.
Yeah.
Juggling the voice, juggling voice after RJ run out of show.
Oh, after RJ
Those are the days
out.
I was looking audition, doing audition.
Okay.
Yeah.
But juggling now though was your first official recording.
Yes.
After RJ ran out of the studio though, how you shake off that, how you brush off the dust and kept on going? Because some people then probably give up.
Never give up. When I went home and I tell my mom, and my mom said, don't give up, you know, keep trying. I tell my brother, I said, what happened? I said, keep trying, man, don't stop. Xanadu said, don't stop. I saw them boy, they stay and blah, 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 but now watching the face, you know?
Yeah.
So the window just start get more easier for me because, you know, King Tubby start vice tune now, producer start come like, sound men start come now. You have specialists, you have a sound them call him Pioneer. Specialist is Shabba ex-manager, right?
Oh, okay, cool.
Them man, they come by and, you know, me start sing tune for them man, and then I meet Rai Francis from Mixing Lab. And it goes on and on. The thing just start, you know, elevate.
Yes.
King Tubby's pass and me start meet them people. After King Tubby's dead, then I go for Jammy's. And I do an album for Jammy's name, Waiting for You. And
yeah, but so your voice juggling for King Tubby's.
Yes.
Give me a piece of juggling, man.
Juggling every time, yeah. Juggling, I come to blow them mind. Oh, now, if there's something in life that you want to achieve, oh yeah, you got to have a few tricks rolling up your sleeve, ooh yeah. And if there's something in life that you want for yourself, you got to work very hard to buy it off the shelf.
Mad.
See, you know, them days, I'm sure thing, you know?
Yeah,
man.
How well did that song do?
Number one, you know? Number one it went.
Seriously?
In Jamaica, number one.
Juggling went number one?
Yes, number one. Yes.
How old were you at the time?
Tell us at the 14, 15 year old.
Young boy.
You don't reach no age group yet.
And you reached number one on the chart with all of the big names them around at the time.
Yes, but you see those days was the real genuine days when you have to work to achieve, you know. I mean,
you have to work for it.
You have to work for it. It's not nowhere you can find a producer do a song for you and pay a whole lot, man, come in and you pay a man to play a tune.
Yeah.
Those days
was the tune of a good tune hit.
And when it going on the chart, it's generally in the chart. And when nobody pay for going on the chart, it enter bubble. It bubble for the chart.
Yeah. But how, as a 14, 15-year-old boy, you manage to keep your foot on the ground, seeing that? Because basically you turn star, you know?
Yeah, but we keep the composure still. We never
did.
really act hype. And to be honest with you, I just the music we love. We never think about money. And you tell me about money, no, we never think money because, you know, you just want to be a star.
You want to see your name on the record,
yeah,
you want people to know your name.
Yes, me just want to hear my song play upon the radio.
Yeah.
Like I remember when I voiced one of the first songs that I recorded for Philip Burrell, Fatis, and the Vina label. When I record that song, it called Sad Song. There'll be sad song to make you cry. And then I record that one, them call him Ragamuffin Me Soup. Ragamuffin Me Soup, Ragamuffin Me Star, you know? I record that song, and I remember they used to have this pot that they bought it on the radio. So like, every Saturday they have a 50-minute slot.
Yeah.
And that 50-minute slot, they play like a portion of song at them time there. So, my song was about to play.
Yeah.
And I have this crush on this girl named Brenda. No, Brenda live about 3 miles from my yard. She live up on Mount Moreland.
Yeah.
And Brenda live up further, closer.
Pass more.
Pass, no, up closer than Mount Moreland, but further from
up, yeah.
Hill.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. And my song a player.
Yeah.
And you believe, I mean, just want Brenda hear that, you know. On the radio, star, Joe, you know.
Yeah.
Took off, run, go for Brenda star.
Yeah.
By the time I reach for Brenda, the program done.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it was like that, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
But after those songs though, which was the next song where the people them really accept and it became a hit song?
Well, you know, treading through the music, the music industry, I met producers like Techniques, Riley.
Mm-hmm.
But before meeting Riley, King Jammies.
Mm-hmm.
King Jammies produced an album called Waiting for You.
Waiting for You.
Yes, and that album released in England.
Yeah.
No, this is a story that people now, I'm tell people them laugh.
Yeah.
You know, because there's a brother I'm calling Mikey Chin in England.
Mm-hmm.
Mikey Chin, hear the vibes that are going on in England. Me don't know nothing. I have no clue what are going on in England. Me don't know say boy, man does say boy, I'm come to studio. He have a sound him Tara sound. Come and show the dubplate and I say, boy, you know someone bring you come to England, come DJ and sing for the sound.
Yeah.
You know man come, you know. So I say, no problem. I don't know one thing about if I ask you how much money, because I not think them with it. And I think say, me I go a foreign. So me just the thing come up, you know, whenever you see use visa them time if you go England.
Yeah.
Get my passport and thing and know say I'm gonna leave for England Saturday. Right? And I just start giving some clothes because they don't know. Me I go foreign. And all of my friends them have clothes. What I say clothes, I say a pants, a shirt, I say a brief, I say whatever.
Yeah.
You see me cause
when you come back from England, it's nice.
when I come back from England, I'm a rich man, I talk about a big singer go to England. So me go to England, I wear my clothes them now. Never know that when you go into England or anywhere to work, you have to have a work permit. So me them call him Trevor Levy. Meet him at Toby C. He was one of the upcoming singers.
Artists, yeah.
But me go see them man, you know. Trevor Levy end up on the plane and reach on the British Airways, nicest airline me ever fly now. From them time, I tell you. Real nice treatment and thing. I reach at England and reach to the immigration. Good day. Morning, it was a morning flight. Good morning, good morning. What is the purpose of you coming to the UK? I'm here to work. Work? Okay. So where's your permit? See me, what name so? What name permit, you know? What you have a work permit? What is that? I don't know nothing about it.
Yeah.
That. Well, I'm saying, you can't come to the country without a work permit to work. You have to have a work permit. Young look up boy and sense too tough, you know, because nobody never brief me.
Yeah, nobody that guy they like that.
When you go, don't tell him, just tell him say you go visit.
Yes.
You want to see me carry all the rum too, if I go get the promoter and thing, you know. Man, them turn me back star.
Turn your back.
Turn me back. And the wickedest thing to me, you know, I couldn't get the flight for. I couldn't get the flight back for Sunday, you know. It's a Monday
so
flight, I come back. So I have to all Saturday now and little be in the room. Plus Sunday. Then now make the U-turn, come back Monday. Monday was the flight out, me take the flight, come back. People are saying, you come back so quick. I walk and I beg back my clothes and buy back my clothes in the car.
Don't go on.
No, go on. You see me? So it was a trip, you know? Believe me. Yeah, man.
So the next song that came though, Chilla, Zane, and even before we go to the next song, the government name is Eustace Hamilton.
Yes.
Chilla you, that's something that come about.
Yeah, when I was up by Mount Moreland, singing on the jukebox. My name Baby You.
Baby You.
Yeah, because my father original name is Big U.
Big U.
I am the baby. Because them say me the junior.
Yeah,
right?
Baby You.
So my name Baby You. You see me?
Yeah.
Never use a name there as a singing name though.
Yeah.
Not sing. Them I say, blow, you can't sing now you. The girls might say, you can't sing now man. Thriller you for name.
Yeah?
Because when you sing, you thrill me.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, man.
So the name just stick.
So a girl they name you?
Yeah, the girls.
The best people them not for name you still.
Yeah, man. Thriller you.
So Thriller you though. Yeah, so you took on that name before your voice, your first official song, or it's after your voice song?
No, man.
Before?
From
right? Up at Mount Moreland and do the singing for the jukebox them and something.
When I go to show with the name Thriller you.
Thriller you, okay, okay. You came back from England and tried to source back tried to source back some of your stuff.
Yeah.
But you kept on working same way.
Yeah, man. I mean, I remember when the promoter guy named Mikey Chin come to me and said, boy, still I don't want you to come back, you know. And I look at him and say to him, say, yeah man, where you say, man, me nah give up, me have to come back.
Yes.
And I go to Jamaica, I work hard, I have to come back. Too bad to trouble leave is still. You know, him decides, say, boy, film talk was, John was started, I mean, the music been so long and him no get the break and him get the break and this happen now. And him just done with music. So said, so done, because I think him jump on the JRF, I went him, Jerry and nephew.
Yeah. Jerry and nephew.
Jerry and nephew Chuck, yeah. So,
yeah, and drop off.
Yeah, him did go and drink rum.
Okay.
So me come back now and at the time my album did go and go with King Jammys, you know? But me never know.
Oh.
So what happened now, reshuffle, people start show interest in Naturally You now. Stone Love, Weeper come up on me yard way and up a Sligo will come pick me up and drive me down with the dub play for him sound. And Weeper sound man start come. Now 1989.
Yeah.
That was 88 to be exact. 1989. The album, #1 in England. Waiting for your album, King Jammys album, and Kick Up Storm. Sold out. Just a go on, bam, 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 and mash the whole place, mash the whole of England. Gold, platinum, whatever you want.
Yeah?
Yeah, I have to say so, because I don't know the sales. But everybody have it. It's a whole soul album. Those days was vinyl days. Wasn't any CD and not downloading nothing. So you know a record that
That sell, yeah.
Yes. And it happened that I met a gentleman by the name of Dennis Thompson. Otherwise known as Breads.
Yeah.
And him just say, yo, he want to sign me for work for him, to be my manager.
Okay,
be my manager.
cool.
Yeah, here comes Mr. Mikey Taros and him talk, and we go England officially. First UK tour that's ever the one I ever got.
So that's 89 now.
1989. When we go to England, trust me, the park, big, and thousands upon thousands of people in the park, and actually you them come to see, you know? So it was more like, I would say, what happened the past year was just a preparation.
For the real thing.
Yeah, God does say, no,
I never heard time
yet. Go there yet, man. You're not ready for it, man. Take a U-turn.
Yeah.
Name Triller U-turn for the time being.
Triller U-turn.
Yes. So,
yeah?
So I end up, you know, go back to England, 1989. Took it on from there. The thing get even more hype. You know, meet up with a producer and a promoter from Japan named Hishi.
Hishi.
Mr. Hishi.
Yeah.
Have a label name Overeat Music. Signed Triller U and I took it from there.
Yeah, and the album that did well in England, did any of those songs actually hit in Jamaica?
Yeah, song like My love is, let my love shine throughout the world, you know? Yeah, man. I've been sitting in the park, waiting all day. Those songs, you know? Yeah, but in England,
big song them.
Big song them, yeah.
So England was the first tour. You came back. I suppose more producers probably were interested in Triller U now.
The thing turn up.
Body one voice Triller.
I mean, after the 1989, 1990, straight to Japan. Me, Aineka Mosey and a few more artists. Flower Gun, Red Dragon, you know, Lizard, you name them.
Daddy Lizard and Works.
And some more people gone to Japan. And, you know, the thing.
Yeah.
But before all of that, you know, before the tour, producers like Riley and so release songs with me like Look in my eyes, young and she read me, and Johnny P.
Yeah,
she
Johnny
was
P.
only 16. You know?
Yes.
And also Stick By Me was one of the songs.
Yeah, and Johnny P. again.
And the album Stick By Me.
Oh, on that same album?
Yes.
Okay. But a big tune at out there.
Yeah, man.
Triller man?
Yes,
Zine?
man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, so now, I'm assuming that after England, other overseas tour came about.
Canada, Japan. You name all the places them you can't think about, you know?
So, and you were still young at the time?
Yeah.
And I do the thing?
Do the thing.
Yeah.
But what really changes thing for me now is when I go to Japan, 1990.
Yeah.
Then I got re-signed. Mr. Ishii signed me and him just have me over that year already. Over a year, they just go and work over there. So my career kind of slowed down.
A yard.
And
other places.
But in Japan, I was the man.
Yeah.
You know, when I go to the airport, you see me picture up on a big sign, Triller U Jamaica Reggae Singer.
So you conquer England and you go conquer Japan?
Yes, I'm used to sign to an airline named Hana, A-N-A.
Yeah.
Hana airline in Japan, it's a Japanese airline. You know, I want to say, me fly upon Northwest airplanes.
Yeah.
Like me take it like taxi a year time. Me never understand even I never understand the flight thing, the what you call it, the rewards thing, the flight rewards thing.
The points.
The points.
Yeah.
Yeah man, me get up to platinum. Me say them say no platinum can't come give me a yard.
Yeah.
And how me get to understand it now, one year me and my sister teaches me I carry go to Japan with tour with me, because I do my tour in Japan now, and I wanted to upgrade my seat.
Yeah.
You know? No, I wanted my sister to sit beside me, because I was in first class. And the lady said, you can upgrade the sister because she's back down in economy class. I upgrade her for platinum card.
And I just points that, rewards.
Points. Yeah, I tell you.
Yeah.
Yeah man. So I just did Japan back and forth, back and forth, years upon years. Yeah. And
then you came back to Jamaica.
Continue working in 1997. You know? Meet up with L.U.S.T.
So L.U.S.T. the first man out of the L.U.S.T.
No.
You really?
No, not really. We were at King Tubby's with L.U.S.T. and Melody.
Yes.
But you know, if you come off of the scene a while, you come back now on the scene and meet up with L.U.S.T. L.U.S.T. say, yo, we want to farm the group.
Yeah.
You know, so L.U.S.T. just put it together. L.U.S.T. is really the man.
So L.U.S.T. was the man who led to the formation of L.U.S.T.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was another change in direction per se of the career.
Yes.
The genesis of one of the greatest groups in reggae music came about, the L.U.S.T. And you said that now the whole creation was spearheaded by L.U.S.T.
Yes.
Yeah man, talk to us some more about that, you know.
Well, you know what? Back in the days when we were in King Tubby's, me and L.U.S.T. and Melody, we used to always just did a sing and a go on, you know?
All our vibes.
All our vibes. Tony Curtis wasn't on the scene at those days. Curtis was still a country cook.
Yeah.
Anyways, you know, L.U.S.T. as I said, boy, I love the vibe. I could do group. You know, but we never take it serious until 1997.
Yeah.
Those days were the days when Bounty Killer and Beenie Man they were like rivals with each other, you know, in the music business. And
the Beenie Bounty thing did hot.
Yeah, and people did not take it too serious because people don't really understand it was just music and it isn't anything serious, no violence, you know. And L.U.S.T. come and him said to me, say, yo, make we do this, you know.
Yeah.
So Tony Curtis was around now, come through and we just formed the group, L.U.S.T. formed the group and we just start rehearsing and we did our first debut single, Sweetness of Your Love, for brother calling him Banky.
Banky,
yes.
Paul Giscom.
Paul Giscom, him same one, and you know?
Yeah.
And it's funny, you know, it just farming because you want me know. Them call him Banky and then two L.U.S. in that,
Banky
Banky L.U.S. You know, and it was farming.
So Sweetness of Your Love was the first song?
First song.
Give me your piece right now.
Remember the night when you held me tight, Girl, you swept my feet away, what more can I say? Remember the special day, girl, when you came my way. Oh, you touched me, you kissed me, what more can I say? And we've been living in the light when the stars are shining bright, 'cause only the sweetness of your love keeps me alive. Yeah, man.
Mad.
Yeah.
That was a monster hit.
Yeah, so the people love it and we just go and do it thing, you know?
Yes.
Keep the thing broad, you know?
Yeah, man, and you are still now, so you had the Chiller You part of your career, now you have the L.U.S.T. segment of your career.
Yes.
The group kept on working, the energy was right, the chemistry was right.
Yes.
I mean, we had 4 of the best voices in the country. You understand? Unique in their own ways, but when they came together, it was harmony. Yeah?
Yes.
And another big song came, Just As I Am. Who came up with the song though?
That idea was sprung from our recent manager, Garcia Campbell.
Okay.
Yes. Him and L.U.S.T. discuss it. L.U.S.T. and them come with the song and we learn the song, we learn the parts. Them
Yeah.
organize firehouse crew to do the track, and you know, everything was just magical.
Yes.
Because I could remember when we were doing that song, it was so easy. I mean, everybody just sing the part and that fit them voices, and
Yes.
it was just so easy, and you know.
Yeah. And
Really
your
cool,
part of
yeah.
it was?
Well, my part was well, again, you put me on the spot. You put me on the spot. You know?
That girl would have vexed if you don't sing that in the trailer.
Yeah. The song, not really my part, you know.
Yeah.
But I was singing
man.
most of the song. The song was like, I've got a lot of big dreams. I've made a lot of bad moves. I know you could walk away, but you never do. The me sing and say,
Yeah.
I've met a lot of cold hearts. I've learned to smile and deceive. I know I'm hard to be around, but you never leave. I'm not easy to understand, but you hold out your hands and you say you love me just as I am. You always treat me the best that you can. You say you want me, need me, love me, baby, just as I am. You don't know.
Mad brother.
Yes, man, up.
So Loki started and you come in, then Tony,
Curtis,
then singing melody.
then
Yeah,
what I
man.
was
Then,
saying,
yeah.
Louis and so on, yeah.
Mad. Classic again.
Yeah, man.
Classic again.
Bless up.
How difficult though was it for 4 entertainers who were established? You understand, everybody have name out there, everybody have a solo career. Was it challenging though to keep, you know, the thing together and you know, man and man still? I don't know if there were any issues with ego, but was it challenging to keep everybody grounded and understanding them rolling at different songs
Well,
and
you know,
stuff?
not everything you have a look at ego tripping, but the thing about it, what made it very interesting for L.U.S.T is that when a man come in him ego, a man remember that, yo, we don't need this, we don't need this.
Yes.
So a man if you can have manners, you know?
Yeah, everybody a big singer.
Everybody can sing. I mean, that's just simple. But yes, people have ego in it.
Yeah.
I mean, Melody, the more time him feel like him hype, if people look upon him on stage more time, he like him want to take over the show, sing one song and a roll and a, you know, try to show a thing.
Yeah.
You know, and Curtis kind of stubborn. When they come to the harmonies, I want a little thing go on.
Yeah.
Me, myself, miserable.
Yeah.
Look, is a man when time foolish that go on stage, him stop sing total and raise him eyebrow.
Yeah.
Everything they go on. So, but we still keep our respect for the thing
Yes.
because we know that, you know, no man no need loss.
Yes.
You understand what I said to you?
Yes.
But we still just stay together and show them that this is more than just a money thing. Because when you check it out, the money is small, I know, general.
Because of it.
Yeah, the money have gone in 5 ways because a manager come in. Manager have to get him cut, you know?
Yeah.
So imagine the brother chop up so much time, you know?
Yeah.
So, but we hold it and we just know, say, boy, respect is respect and manners is manners. So,
yeah. At one point in the journey of the group though, the low-key situation in relation to Joe came about.
Yes.
How was that for you though? How did you handle that?
It was really devastating because in a sense, we invite Rick Rock in the group.
Yeah.
But it was not like even the Rick Rock they have that kick there, you know?
Yes.
It was just, Rick Rock was a good singer.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong. Good writer.
Yeah.
But
people that know the original
the
L.U.S.T
L.U.S.T,
people.
the Loki D and the Thriller You, that you know that thing there, that punch there just never the 100 there.
Yes.
But
so it never really worked out per se for Rick Rock, despite the fact that Rick Rock was talented.
It worked for a time and you know, Loki D is a person like this too. I understand. Loki D is a man like this. He have this driving thing in him. People tend to ask, is L.U.S.T have a group leader? We say no. And then we come to the realization that yes, L.U.S.T have a group leader. Loki is the man.
Leader.
Me not gonna lie, because to hold me seat, I feel like everybody respect Loki D to the point where, you know, if Loki D not dead, it's like we don't feel the vibe. Me do not respect Thriller You like that. Tony not respect Thriller You like that.
Yes.
But them give it to Loki D, which me understand.
Loki D command the respect.
Yeah, me not really vex about it. It's not a thing I say, yo, because I don't want to be no leader, you know.
Yeah.
I'm want to do when it come to my part of the song, me just sing and get my part out there and just play my part. Them say me are the man in the group where go on, me look and take span stage, me whine and them something and you know, get real nasty and go in my patwa chatting and, you know. So everybody carry a different thing. Curtis is the man who make you laugh and, you know, Melody know him act like him a Prince Charming.
Yeah.
You understand me? I say, but then again, there's a man who scream like him is a girl. That's that. So the whole thing nice. And
look like it nice with you.
Look, it is about like this. Though him talking, him twang, he must twang.
Speak is spooky.
And then him got chip out and look at part one, him twang again. So
yeah, but good energy and good vibes.
Yeah. Sorry, but out of all of that still, there's a nice farmer love in the group where we share as
and respect.
And respect for each other, you know. So it keep the group up and running.
Yes.
And a man just know say, you know, a loss, you know.
Yes. And the friendship is still there,
yeah,
the
man.
chemistry is still there, you guys still work together.
Yeah, we just did the rehearsal just now.
Yeah,
just
so the rehearsal that you're coming from is with
L.U.S.T.
L.U.S.T.
Yeah, we are in the festival.
Yes.
The festival, the Jamaica Festival final.
Yes.
Finalists. We are one of the finalists.
Talk to us a little bit about that.
Well, I mean, we are in
with some big names, you know,
yeah,
Triller.
with
Bojo,
giant
Freddy.
Bojo will sell out stadiums.
Yeah. Toots
and
Michigan, Papa
Michigan and Freddie McGregor and who again? Sugar.
Yeah, Sugar.
Sugar in
yeah,
man. And our song was written by General Degree.
Degree write the song?
Yes.
Yeah.
Talented look a young man, you know, man. I mean old man.
Old man.
Old man, yeah. Him just look little but he's a old
yes.
man.
And what you think?
Bass.
What you think your chances are? Have you heard the other songs?
Yeah, man. I mean, you know, let me explain something to you.
Yeah.
Remember, these things are not like this song wants song better, this song better.
Voting.
It's about voting. So, even if our song sound like it is the song.
Yes.
You know, remember, Bojo have a big fan club also.
Yes.
And Bojo song Me To You may not sound like the song.
Yeah.
But him end up and come be #1 because
Freddie have him fan base.
yeah,
said
everybody have them
everybody
fan base.
have them fan
Toots
base.
International,
Toots,
you know.
yeah.
Don't all the people in Alaska would have vote for him. You understand me? I say? So it's, it's just that thing where we have to hope for the best. We promote what we're trying to promote the song and we're trying to interact with people and have people hear the song and you know get a vibe.
What's the title of the song?
Wave the flag.
Wave the flag.
The black, gold and green, push them up to the sky. Wave the flag them high, high, high. Wave the flag them high, high, high. The Jamaican team, see them rolling by. Wave the flag them high, high, high. Wave the flag them high, high, high. Say all over the world, all over. Them love the Jamaican culture. All over the world, all over. Them a shout out Jamaica, Jamaica, all over the world, all over. Let me hear you shout it out louder. All over the world, all over. Them a cry out Jamaica. Our slang, yes, the whole world I use it. Not to mention the sweet reggae music. When it hit you, you cannot refuse it. Look how people as skank and a move it. Wanna know about we culture, go YouTube it. Take up your paradise, but don't abuse it. Visit Jamaica, fly or cruise it. South coast, north coast, anyway, choose it.
Mad! We have the flag.
Yeah, we have the flag, you know?
Yeah.
L.U.S.T.
And the songs will be available on all of the digital platforms as well.
Yes,
so
yes,
people can go look for you. We have the flag.
Yes, I'm wanting to vote for L.U.S.T. Yeah.
Where do they go to do the voting though?
I would say maybe it's online.
Yeah.
Because you know through the COVID thing, I don't know if the place will open. So
yes.
I guess they'll send out all this stuff. You know, because you know the Jamaica festival.
JCDC.
Yeah, them control the digital people and to send out them texts.
Okay,
and
yeah.
them have them thing together. Right now, me young to it, me kind of new to this.
Yeah.
You know.
So it was a good experience
It is,
for the group again
Yes.
to come together and something that is as meaningful as
Yes.
popular song competition.
Yes,
yeah?
yes.
Irrespective of whether you win or not.
Yeah.
Still representing.
We hope to win. We want to win.
Prize.
You know, and I just the money.
I just okay.
Cause let me tell you something between you. I should have talk. I don't really
Talk,
want to
man.
talk,
Talk,
but
man.
me really talk. The money too little bit.
Yeah.
You know, $3 million too little bit.
But remember, see, cause one of the problems, I'm glad you said that to you, because one of the issues we have is that some people in the public are say, yo, normally this is for upcoming artists we are look at break why they go for popular established artists. So for you, they go look a bit, but normally for a man like me we go voice a song, would then be a good look forward.
And then again, so the reason why I get to understand the reason why them change up this thing now is because if you check it out on your own platform, your own lookout time,
yes,
you realize that Jamaica Music Festival, it's winding down.
Yeah, that is true. That is true.
You know, you asked me who win last year's festival,
You
I
don't know.
cannot tell you. Because the reality is that these artists that come in the festival contest is like, them not stand predominant, them just do the one tune the night that them disappear. Plus them song, most of the songs them not about Jamaica, not about
There's a popular song in name now on a culture again, you understand?
Yeah.
The same thing with my brother, so one of the things is that the movie is probably if you give a little injection, a little shot in the arm, you understand? Develop a little bit of curiosity again about it, and you know what I mean, with the names them.
Yes, and I saw in the Observer where people are actually licking out against it.
Yeah, that way I say.
And me I say, well, me understand for them cry, but them to understand that this is Jamaica. And I feel in my own respect and my own knowledge and my own rights then, is that we need to have people who are write good music to represent our country. Come on.
The profile of the competition will be lifted again based on the name of the Chilla. I can appreciate that.
So,
but I can also understand some of the complaints and you know what I mean, people are saying. But I understand both sides, I think.
But I would say if I was supposed to compete on my own without being Chilla, me I come hard.
Yes.
You know? I was listening to one of the songs where say, oh, Chiquitita, you know?
Stanley.
I'm listening and I say it's a nice song, but you know, the music it's like them are trying to gimmicky. You know, when gimmicks, if it be serious, I mean something where people can actually sell. You know, sell your country, because this is what we need to have our country. Because if you look upon it, you know, me say it that way, Jamaica big if you do it little, you know.
Yes.
Little but with talawa. Believe me, anywhere over the world you go, right now if you go under the sea name, finding me under the sea,
Atlantis.
Atlantis, right? If you go on Atlantis right now, Jamaican then I need that. Jamaican they hard bout.
Yeah, so L.U.S.T came, saw, conquer, and still around. You guys still tour, still perform together, still work together, still vibe together.
Still do it,
yeah.
Still do it, man.
Which part of the career, which part of the musical journey for Chilla you would do has been the most exciting journey? The Chilla you journey or the L.U.S.T journey?
I would say the Chilla you journey.
Yeah.
I'm going to tell you why I say so. Back in the days, 1990, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, go up. I was taking all those trips to Japan. And based upon what I've seen through my whole career, I got treated like a king from the people of Japan.
Yeah.
I was accepted in their country, and them love my music. I never feel sing nothing at all derogative or I try to push nobody out of the chart for going there. I just sing, just do what God give me, the talent, and it worked. And people accept me to the max. Them show me love, and me perform for the most people ever perform them whole entire life was in Japan.
Yeah.
Me I talk about hundreds of thousands of people me see in a park.
Yeah.
You know. And when I run on stage, I could see people who now come from Thailand to drop them pants because they want to see Chilla your performance.
Yes.
You understand what I said to you? So it was exciting for me. I mean, a little singer from a little country with such a big recognition in Japan, you know?
What the best singer in L.U.S.T?
The whole of the man them. As a matter of fact, the whole of the man are the bestest singer in L.U.S.T.
Yeah.
The bestest.
Are you?
No, man.
Yeah.
Me know the best. None of we know the best. All of the bestest.
Yeah. But everybody are the one uniqueness
to it. Yeah, man. All of the bestest. Yeah.
I set you up look how I see the Chilla.
No, that's not set up. I guess what between me. I don't prepare for that.
You prepare for that.
That's why I could answer you so spontaneously.
Yeah.
It wasn't that hard. Oh no, man. All of the bestest.
Yes. Of all the songs that you have done with L.U.S.T though, which song are your favourite song out of the lot?
Sweetness of Your Love.
Sweetness of Your Love.
Yes.
Why? Because of the first big one or just a song?
And to be honest with you, not because it was the first song. It was just a song that was just
sweet,
and it was real. I mean, you had the passion. It was passionate because guess what happened? It was the debut song that we did together, and everything that we were doing at the time was just natural.
Chemistry.
Yeah, it wasn't any form of artificial mix out this and mixing this. No, it was natural. You know, what you hear on a record is what you get in the studio.
Yes.
You know, it's natural. Still is a number one song for me.
For you, yes. What is the number one song for you as Chilla you?
Oh, that no. I've sung like I Believe.
Yes.
Top in Japan. Most people don't know it.
Yeah.
If you ask me to sing, I can't remember it.
But people can't remember people that are going to Chilla.
No, Japan people.
Yeah,
Japan people, because even The other day I did a dub session and they asked for I Believe in It. And
Yes.
I was shocked. I was
Shock.
like, wow. And people say remember them song. Why I said it's a number one song for me? Maybe it don't register number one in the charts.
Yes.
With number 16 in the.
What are your favorite songs?
Yeah, and here I know. That song actually inspired Japanese people because I remember at the time I had a fan club there.
Yes.
And there were a lot of letters pouring in through the fan club. It wasn't an email thing, it was
Fan
actual
club.
letters.
Yeah.
And there's a letter that was posted to me. And it was in Japanese. But then now I used to have interpreters and the interpreter read the letter to me and it was about this female. She was standing on her balcony. You know that in Japan there's a lot of suicide going, right? She was standing on the balcony just ready to go crash, chuck off and crack the ground. Right? And she said at the moment she was there, her radio was on. And then my song come on. I believe there is a heaven and one day we all will be forgiven. I believe in the moon and the stars above. I believe in you and me, and that one day we'll all be free. And I believe in God's love. Don't remember the more of the song. But I believe, oh, I believe. Just when that song come on, she stopped. Her mind changed. And it was just, when I actually listened, what the interpreter was reading to me, you know, I realized that music
Powerful.
is so powerful. And guess what? I had the opportunity to make one of the music that people could actually get inspiration from.
Yeah.
That this could actually save a person's life. And that is so overwhelming for me because, you know,
Yes.
just think about it. I mean, somebody tell you that them did go kill themselves. And when them hear your song, come on, their mind change and me give them hope.
I believe.
I believe.
So that are your favorite
That is my
song?
favorite song. And Jamaica people may not know this because in Jamaica I don't think I've gotten the recognition.
Why is that though, Chilla?
I don't know. I mean, because of the music industry. I mean, there's a lot of payrollers, there's a lot of people here in the music business that
Money driven.
plus not only them go off a hype. No, it means that, to me, what it meant is that if you're not current at all the times, you're nobody. No. When I go to Japan and you say Thriller you see people running down, kick you down, kind of something, you come see Thriller you. Just like even though Kenny Rogers dead, God bless his soul. If you ask a Kenny Rogers, you have a Kenny Rogers concert before him dead, in them old days when they have no current song. The place ram.
Yes.
People buy box office sell out. But Jamaica people are not like that. Our nation are not like that. And I mean,
Current, our art.
I just wait hype at the moment. Right now, if me have a number one song now, we're hype. Then me the man again. No.
Yes.
Entertainers are the men always because them have something that everybody have it.
Yes.
I mean, I said this to you why I say that too. A man can get up and learn tailoring tomorrow. I can go get him look work and turn a garden at all. Him go study about gardening and blah blah.
Yes.
Singing is something is a different thing.
Innate, you're born with
Yeah,
it.
you're born is an inborn concept. I mean, God give you that talent, and you know, any man can. I wouldn't even say DJ, because any man can DJ.
But
sing,
everybody can sing.
Anybody can sing. Yeah, so you know,
That deep.
that is deep, yeah.
Yeah. So I Believe are your favorite song.
Yes.
But which song has been your biggest solo hit song in the journey so far?
Well, to my knowledge, because there are songs that release in the world that.
Jamaica, we are talking.
Yeah, well, song like My Love and I Prove It to You.
I'll prove
Let
it.
my love shine throughout the world. Do. You know, that song from Stone Love, Days of Stone Love, and I did that song as a dub play for Stone Love. My love is warmer than a smile. My love gives to every needing child. If anyone should ask you, who's my true love? Tell them my love's true. Forever letting all the love come true. Let my love shine throughout the world. And then I sing song like, look in my eyes, what do you see? There's no doubt the message, you know? I mean, I sound like,
I'll prove it.
yeah, that's I Prove It to You.
That's my favorite song, you know.
Are your
Thriller say
favorite?
if you give me peace more so you can't just pull. A favorite Thriller you is I'll Prove It
Yes, I Prove It
to you, yeah?
Yeah, man.
So me a big up piece
That song was recorded at Mixing Lab.
Mixing Lab.
Yes, and producers called Winston Riley and the Techniques.
Techniques,
yes.
Yeah. Great
God
Winston.
rest his soul, no? Song goes, look in my eyes, what do you see? There's no doubt the message is clear. So many love, so helplessly. Girl, forever I want you near. There's been times that I realize how strongly I feel for you. Oh baby, you're the best thing that I've ever known. And I wanna tell you so you know it. Forever we preserve it. And I'll prove it to you. Starting tonight, I'm gonna prove my love, yeah. I'll take my time. You'll see. You haven't known your quest of chances, oh no, but I'll prove it to you. Yeah, man.
Here I go and chill. I'm sitting here and I listen every time you sing. And every time you sing, the only thing missing are the rhythm.
Yes.
The man sound the same way.
Thank you.
Brother.
That's blessing.
That's a true sign. That's a sign of a true musician, brother.
Thank you.
So for the Chiller,
yeah,
as I said, those are two of the songs that people easily recognize.
Yes.
But the catalog, big
so.
so. You understand? I was listening to a mix by DJ Easy, and it was an hour and a half mix. And after I done that, I go listen to the next mix and I hear tune over there, so when I not hear upon the mix the same way.
I must be honest about something too now, family. You see, me do so much records that me can't tell you how much records me do overall in my whole lifetime.
Yeah.
Because I actually went on the road already and sound man come to me and said they want me sing a song there.
Yeah. I don't know it.
I don't know it. I say, song that. And when they play it for me, I say, Jesus Christ.
I made this here.
Yeah,
you remember it
advice and I feel studied for remember for the and dub play.
Yeah.
Actually I do the dub and I something I listen off sing the melody and the lyrics. Because done so much record back in the days. Cause back in the days, as I say,
it was just music.
Just the music and we don't care about money.
Yes.
Any man say sing, we just sing. Because you know, it was just always just want to go get the music out there.
Yes.
You know? And I remember we talked to you about Harry G.
Yeah.
Let me bring up that because it's very important.
The man was running out of the studio.
Yes, it was like, even though it was so negative to me,
yeah.
I took that as a positive note because it actually helped me to elevate myself, you know.
You never make it get you down.
Never make it get me down. Me ball and we were going back to Waterhouse, but me never say me done with music and give up. Me push again and you know, and I live to see. I remember I was around King Tubby's at the time. I run by King Tubby's and King Tubby's have his worker, you know, when I'm writing worker named Phantom. And Phantom say, him want me come somewhere with him. Because King Tubby's never used to press the record.
Oh, okay.
And at his studio.
Yes, I send him a press.
Send him go press. So him say, want me come, somebody want to meet me. And when me actually in the taxi, and reach a Mountain View, remember the place, and I say, oh, I say, brother, call him Harry J. And that time I get real, you know, I get angry in a sense, like me I say, I don't want to see that boy, you know, that boy had disrespect me, you know. Anyways, somehow I just hold the courage and just go in there. And when them see me, I say, are you? I say, yeah man, I'm me, see your mama, you know, remember they tell me to go suck me, you know. That me said to him, and I just walk out of the studio and say, Phantom out the door and wait for you. I not come to that boy the place. That boy the devil. You know?
Yeah.
So I come out.
But
it was as even though it was a negative.
A learning experience is the same.
It put a positive to my thing because it gave me a drive, you know?
Yes. You said that the biggest stage, the biggest crowd ever worked on and the Far East, Japan. Japan. And you have spoken very positively about Japan.
Yeah, man.
Where's your favorite place to perform?
Japan. I mean, all right. Let me explain something to you. Thriller, you was an household artist in Japan.
Yes.
I can't say today because music business has changed a lot. I haven't been there
in a while.
But you used to have a club called the Blue Note. Blue Note. I used to do 2 shows per night.
In a Blue Notes?
In a Blue Notes.
Blue Notes?
It's, yeah, Blue Notes.
The Blue Notes.
So it, yeah. I did 2 shows per night in the Blue Note club. It was a club and restaurant. And I can remember it was seated crowd. People who sit table and they order dinner and it's like a dinner and a show. And I'm being honest, I got good pay as tips.
Yeah.
You know, when I talk about tip, because the Yakuza them, that's where the Yakuza, money people pan a all go. Because one ticket I sell at those times was for 10,000 odd yen. That 100, at that time it was 100 odd US dollars
yeah.
to the yen. You know? So when they say 10,000 yen is 100 US dollars, right? So it was like them kind of money. People are paying 130, 150, and it depends which seat they get in the blue note.
Yeah.
And I remember I was selling out blue note. Them I sell out, show them I sell out. Little chilla you, little boy when I really have no knowledge about money that much in time, but you know? And I remember even one night I was on tour. We ran, if I can remember, maybe it was my final Japan splash. It was Thriller You, Luciano, Maxi Priest, Manica, a couple more. Roberta Flack was also on it, but they divided in wings. Like they go east and west. So Luciano and Roberta Flack, them gone on the side there. Me and Maxi Priest and Manica, they on the side there. And some more artists and thing, right? You know, did the thing. And I remember when we reached in Tokyo, we reached in Nagoya. If I don't remember if it's Nagoya, the place there, Blue Note there. But when we reached at the area there, me and Maxi Priest actually thief to the hotel.
Yeah.
We just go at the Blue Note to go sing. And it was like karaoke night there. And let me be honest with you, boss, man, a joke thing. I remember when Maxi Priest go sing, we sing to the, it was karaoke, but them have 2 or 3 musicians playing in the background.
Yes.
Playing the karaoke track. They're singing live vocals, but the track was somewhat filtered with CDs and so on. Some
yeah.
You know, there wasn't any drummer. It was just like keyboard player and guitarist and bass player. So the drum was basically coming from the CD. Right. And after I go to boom and sing, Maxi Priest doing thing and sing, and I can't forget, I see a lady come to me, and you know them come very humbly to them. And she come and say, excuse me, like she said, Mr. Yakamodi, 1 minute of your time, please, you know. So I went across now, going on one dark car, and I see a man in a dark class. How do you do it? The general in a dark class. In the dark club. And she interpreted, you know, he said that he liked your voice. She said, thank you very much, sir. And please, he said, please, I love your music, you know, please continue what you're doing. She interpreted all these things to me, and then I got a tip.
Yeah.
And all I could say, like him do like this, maybe honest with him, just go like this. This him do. We don't know what that means, but like him I say, go on now.
You can go now.
You know, but I know say the lady just look at me, and like, them don't give money, and you know, them have one plate, they like want something on the table.
Yeah.
And me only see one big clump of money take up on us, put in right so and say, Mr. Yakuza, we say, like to give you as a present, a tip of present. Thank you.
Thank
so
you.
when me check the money, when me go to the hotel, because me not count it from time, but me go to the hotel now after we done all that and go to the hotel and count. $15,000, man.
Yeah.
$15,000. The man just take up a clump of money so and just put in a clump in that type of yen, you know. But when we change it out, it was 15,000 US dollars.
15,000 US dollars?
Yes, me frightened to me nearly did myself up.
15,000
US as tip. And me never work a show in Japan, me get 15,000 yet.
Yeah.
So it was more like, it was more like...
I get paid for all I show the way they do before.
Me, look here. Me don't know them kind of money when I go to Japan as a youth. Most me get them time at 2,500, 3,500, 4 grand US. Per show.
15 grand.
And then me go one time, 15 grand that, and I talk about the money them Chris. The way the money them lock up on, you have to try to tear them out with them Chris.
Yeah. Seeing that here's a Japanese Jamaica though, where's the next favorite place to perform outside of Japan?
Well, me do Canada.
Canada?
Yes.
Any particular reason?
Well, I just love the weather over there, you know.
Oh, you like coldness?
Yeah, I love the
coldness.
Yeah, the coolness over there. You know, I love Canada, and I want to tell you something too. I love about Canada. Clean.
Clean.
Yes. Canada. Clean.
Yeah.
Looking forward to get some work in Europe.
In Europe.
Some alone show me I talk about solo thing in Europe. Also. Yeah, man. But Canada, clean.
Yeah.
We do a part in America.
Yeah.
You know?
So Canada, Japan.
Yeah.
And you want to take on the European side.
European side.
looking at the journey, Chilla, Zane, is there anything, if you get the chance to redo it, to do it over, you then do it differently?
Yes.
What that?
Personally, I think I would actually try to be more control of my music. My music, like owning
Right.
the
Publishing.
the publish and everything. Because I get to a Rob, you know, I can't tell you straight up, you know. I never get any money off the album I'm waiting for you.
That was the first album I mashed up England.
King Jammy's. I never get $1. Never get $1 for publishing. Up to this day, and that's something I don't afraid to talk. I never get $1 for that. You know, waiting for your album sell all over the world. Never get the money off of that, and you never get any form of, never have no knowledge about publishing at the time. So you find, say, boy, you write a song and you realize, say, 17,000 people need me for your song. You know, because you never, you know, so I would change that back then. You know, now it's different because I get to learn a couple of things, and you know.
So you own your music.
Yeah,
now
I own
and
some
stuff.
of my music them. I still voice other people. When I try to, even my voice, man, I try to own my voice, you know.
Yeah.
You can keep your rhythm, but voice, mine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If Trilla you wasn't singing, wasn't doing music, what is that one career option that you see yourself doing?
I've been making furnitures.
Furniture.
Yeah, I grew up doing that, learning that trade. I used to work at Wilkins Furniture Company down Orange Street, 6 Orange Street.
Yeah.
Down, is it Princess? No, 6 Princess Street, down Princess Street. Yes.
So you would be in the furniture
I would be
making.
in the furniture business, yes.
So like a something that way.
Yeah,
you
man,
like
because I make
outside
dive
and
and bed and turn, me dive and
yeah.
pin them and so on. you know?
Yeah.
Me I learn, but me drop out because music just take it away, you know.
What would you say is Trilla U's single greatest achievement as a musician at this stage in the journey?
Well, I would say the greatest achievement is for me to be here right now. Actually, I'm here and I'm still current. So that's my greatest achievement. Because looking back, there are so many artists that grew up in the industry that is not here
They're not their own.
So, no money couldn't buy that. I mean,
Yes.
if it was money for a man to have him status or him life, you know, if you can him status, it would work. But
Yes.
my achievement is that I'm here.
Longevity.
I'm still doing music. Yes, people still love me. The voice is so nice. I'm so blessed.
Yeah.
You know, give thanks to Yahshua. You understand me? I say the Father Creator Yahshua. Yeah, man. So that's the greatest achievement.
Yeah. Is there anything musically we not achieve yet where you still want something there?
Yeah, I would like to get a #1 song worldwide, not on the reggae billboard, but international, worldwide. Something like how you can say, you know I'm bad, and everybody know it.
Yeah.
You know, I would like to get that kind of a song that break through to the world. I mean, worldwide.
Yes.
Like how Shaggy come and say it wasn't me.
Me.
You know, everybody sing that in any Caribbean song can. And by the way, I just want to big up Shaggy. Real youth, real brother. Tell her that. Love that youth, them real. Yes.
We started out the interview and we mentioned a couple of tragedies that you would have lived through. The passing of your biological father and then the passing of your stepdad.
Yes.
And in 2009,
Yes.
there was an incident where you lost your
Lost my
daughter,
daughter,
and
yeah.
your wife was shot and injured as well.
Yes.
How did you manage to cope with that though?
Well, let me tell you something. It has been a trip, still is a trip, because you can never replace anyone. My daughter Nikita Hamilton, you know, she was tragically gunned down. Them thief her life. In other words, you know, her life was just swept away from her just like that because of some careless, you know, cokehead, you know, in the USA, you know. And I don't think we got justice from it, because even though they caught the perpetrator, they caught him and they locked him up. He didn't get in his full time. But it's just 10 years. He get 10 years. 10 years with parole. So 10 years with parole and what do you call it, probation. So
you don't feel that justice
that
was
not,
served?
I mean, how can a man kill 3 people? 3 people, 2 kids, right? And you kill an adult and you injure a next adult. And then no, you strike a plea bargain. Listen up, plea bargain. That means if you strike a plea bargain Let alone show you say you're
plead
guilty.
But
So
normally
how
with
come
plea
you get
deals,
10
Triller,
years for
is that even we were discussing a particular case the other day where a policeman murdered his wife and he got 18 years because he pleaded guilty. So a part of the plea bargain arrangement is that you get a reduction in sentence.
Well,
so,
I could understand the police get 18 years. You hear me say 18 years?
Yeah, but 10.
10. Listen up, and it's one person killed.
Yes, and that man
Davian Bishop, Faith Bissassour, Nikita Hamilton, and Camille Hamilton was actually injured at the same time. Now these three people, Davian Bishop, Nikita Hamilton, and Faith Bissassour, they are dead. They're gone forever. Now, how can you give a person 10 years for such a wicked, wicked, wicked crime?
How is Camille doing?
Well, she's fine so far. We're not together anymore, but she's fine so far. We keep a little talk now and then, find out how she's doing, especially when they come around to the birthday time, so when they come around to our daughter's birthday, the last time I sent her a video, I was by the grave, up by Dovecat. I went there.
Oh, she was buried out here?
Yes, flowed down the body, and yeah, she still cry a lot, and she got the injury where her left eye, the retina.
You were shot in her eye?
Not in the eye, it was right there.
Oh.
So the optic nerve, the optic nerve shift. So, what she's coming on.
Give thanks for that.
Give thanks, she's coming on.
And my condolences on her brother.
Thanks again, man. Thanks again.
I realize that there's still a lot of hurt and pain in your voice and things.
You can't.
Which is natural.
This is not something that it does, What I try to do, I try not to dwell upon it and let it keep me. Because I know my daughter, Nikita, wouldn't want to see me crumble. I mostly try to pray for her mother because, trust me, Camille take it even more harder because she was there and,
How many kids outside of Nikita?
Now what a big part that because one. So far I got 5 kids. 5 kids? Yes.
Inclusive of Nikita, other than 6?
Yeah, Nikita will be 6.
And they're all okay?
Yeah, they're all okay. Big son, Ishmael Hamilton, he's in the Air Force in the USA.
Oh, nice.
He's now married, and I got my first grandchild.
Yeah.
Then I have a next son at 16-year-old. His name is Niconel Hamilton. I have Leonora Hamilton. I have Leanna Hamilton. Yes, and I have a little young one right now.
What you call young, Triller?
You're not going to believe, man.
Be a believer. Young?
Yeah, young.
Oh, young is young?
8 months. Emily.
Yeah,
yes.
Yeah. Are you okay?
Yes, man.
Congratulations, brother.
Thanks.
Man, still a chop.
Yeah, come on. I don't like something for hooray, boy.
Yeah.
There, so you have to just go on,
Yeah, man.
I'm old enough.
Yeah.
If you ask me how old, I'm old man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, I'm one girl. Listen, me get her pregnant. I don't know if that's true. She says so.
But circumstances could make that true, though.
Yeah, me got it.
Okay. So, plan to get back married ever?
That thing there, the married thing, kind of, I don't see it yet. Not that there isn't people interested in it, but me
you
right
interested,
now,
sir?
Me not interested in the married thing right now. What me want to do is just live a life and get it right.
Yeah, get up in a age, Triller, man. Companionship and
I mean, they can't have company same way.
I'm just say still, you if talk you out of it, me have to do what me have to do,
I don't know if you talk me out of it, so say, me not go rush now, no more marriage thing right now. Me and Camille married for over 17 years.
Whoa!
And it crashed like that. We lose our daughter and then she have different plans to go in the USA to live there. I was so hungry up the USA to know that this man just kill me people, mash up my life and mash, and I never feel
17 years a good stretch still.
Yes, man. I want to tell you something, you did a person 5 years, and I hold it, even 2, because when you never broke up, you feel well for pain, same way, no. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
But the marriage thing, now come through my window.
Yeah. What has Triller you been up to recently? Apart from the entry in the Jamaica Popular Song competition, what has been going on with Trilla U of
Well,
late?
Trilla U is working, still in studios, singing every day. I have a couple of songs that are original, that are released, you know.
Yeah.
Song called Missing You,
Yes.
Missing It All.
Yes.
Yeah, that's on Frankie music label.
And it's out.
It's out.
Mm-hmm.
Song like 7-time rise. 7-time rise, 7-time fall, but I don't think the falling things at all. Bobby Chris's label. So you know what I say?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and yeah man. Song called In Common. Those songs are out and that's on Naya Bliss label. That song has been out from 2015, but still promoting because it's a very good song. You know?
Okay.
We got so much in common. We both need satisfaction. Yeah. And also on the Bobby Chris's label, I have a next one called Honest. I just wanna be honest. I just wanna be honest. You know, a lot of songs and still working with L.U.S.T, doing our thing and
Yes.
yeah man, get it right.
Mm.
Now Lego music.
Yeah. So Trilla U is okay.
Yes.
Food is on the table.
Big light, yeah.
Big like.
Yeah, I mean, to be honest, no, people might look at you and say, yo, you know, so the man rich and thing. I can only call in riches. Yes, I am rich. I'm rich in spirit. I'm rich in health.
Yes.
But the wealth part wants strengthen. You understand me I say? But I'm still rich.
Yeah.
You understand me I
Things
say?
not so bad.
Things are so bad. I mean, even though it's COVID time right now, and it's really hard, we're not getting any shows and so on.
Yeah.
But Father God said, hey, I'm not going to lock him eye or cut him eye for him. Still make a look at one dub plate now and then I eat a little food. So the bills them pay.
Yes.
You know, baby them I eat food and the thing I go on. So I'm not going to say nothing I go on because I'm not bring no bad spirit in for my thing. You know?
Speaking about dub plate, for the people them out there who want to get in touch with Trilla U, whether it's for bookings, whenever bookings possible, dub plate, whatever it is, how do they go about doing that?
Go on to the IG page. You can contact me, IG page name, Trilla U, the World Singer.
Trilla U, the World Singer.
Yes. Same on Facebook, Eustace Hamilton, Trilla U, the World Singer. And if you want to contact me by email, it's trilltrillu1@gmail.com or trilltrillu@gmail.com.
Yeah.
Telephone number.
Yeah.
Telephone number. 1-876 417 1119. 1-876 417 1119. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Father Trilla,
It's a pleasure, man.
it's an honor, brother.
Every
You
time.
understand? To find a little reason with the man behind the voice.
Yes,
Yeah,
Mr.
the man with the catalog big, so
Tall.
the man who really and truly, as you said, not really get the recognition when probably deserve, not get the appreciation from the fans. But the reality is that you say music is a thing where you say good music will always live a test.
And as I just want to add this to that, you know, remember that music is life, and there are different ways of getting our music out because right now the world is our window. I don't know if you understand that thought there. The internet is the world.
Yes.
Right now. Because the internet makes you see the world right now.
Yes.
It's the window right now. So, you know.
And the music is on, your music is on all of the digital platforms as well. iTunes, Apple
and
Music.
look out for my channel and
YouTube. What you gonna name?
Trilla U, the World Singer. Yeah, that them say me the World Singer. Yeah, man.
The World Singer.
World Singer, general.
Big up yourself, brother.
Every time,
appreciate
brother,
it, you know. Bless up.
Yeah, man. Meet them, teach them. This is Trilla U endorsing. Teach them. Teach them is the greatest show of all. Teach them well, make you laugh until you bawl. If anyone should ask you who's the teach them true. So listen this song that's coming from Trilla U. Teach them about the world. Woo 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 woo. To other mountain top and steeper. I'll prove it to you starting tonight. I'm gonna prove them, teach them. Yeah man, Trilla U said that. Big up yourself. Teach them!
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.